All right, so my slider has worn through, so I don't need to replace these yet because this can be actually turned around, so you can use each one of these sliders twice. So I'm gonna remove this slider and flip it around. I'm using a 9/16 deep socket. We will pull the washers off. Pull this out, and we're simply gonna rotate it 180 degrees. Put it back in. Put our washer back on. I'm gonna repeat the process on the other side and flip the other side over. Alright, so we're just flipping it over. Put our pieces back on. If both sides are worn out, I'll put a link in the description as to where you can buy new sliders for pretty cheap. All right, important step right here. If you have a very smooth driveway, I recommend putting 2 paint stirrers under each side. You want the blade to rest on this. That will set a 1/8 inch gap. I have an asphalt driveway, but it is not perfectly smooth, so I'm actually gonna set the gap to a 1/4 inch, and I'm going to use a couple of shims, so 1 on each side to set the gap for the blade. Then I will tighten my sliders to get a perfect 1/4 inch gap across the bottom of my snowblower. Now I am working on an Ariens 624E Snowblower, but the process will likely be the same regardless of what model you have. Okay, now I'm just going to loosen this enough. Make sure that's on the ground, but also don't make sure my sled doesn't move. That's good and snug. I've got a perfect 1/4 inch gap underneath this side. We'll do the same on the other side. Same thing, I'm just gonna make sure these are loose. And I just want that to be all the way down. There you go. All right, now we can remove that shim. And you'll see we have a nice 1/4 inch gap. Remove this shim. And again, we've got a nice 1/4 inch gap. That's exactly what I want because my driveway is not perfectly smooth. Again, if you've got a smoother driveway, you can use paint sticks. These are 1/8 of an inch thick. That's a good shim to use on both sides. I was able to use my sliders again because they had a top side. If you do need new sliders, check out the link in the description. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.